Hey everybody, it's Lauren coming to you from my newly remodeled kitchen. Not really, it's a Zoom background, but it's pretty, huh? I wanted to talk to you today about something super, super important. It's rate shopping, because right now it is the rates. Everybody's rates. Oh my gosh, what's going to happen to the rates? Well, right now they're really not that much different than they were a couple weeks ago. They go up, they go down. You can always get your rate, but what you don't always know is what you see on the internet isn't always exactly what you think you're getting. I've seen a few people, actually talked to a bunch of people who have called me and said, hey, what can you get me on a 30-year and a 15-year with, XYZ purchase price? I need a little more information than that, just a little. So if you're going to rate shop, please understand that what you see on the internet may, and probably does, have some pretty serious points. And if you work with me, we don't have any fees. We don't charge anything. If you want to buy the rate down and it makes sense, then absolutely you can do that. Sometimes you might even get a credit from the lender. So what you're seeing out there, this hype and this media is kind of cuckoo. So when you call me or anybody else, make sure that you're shopping apples to apples. Oh, and a huge tip. If you get your credit pulled, make sure that you have somebody else, if you're going to rate shop, pull your credit in the same week. Why? Because it's not going to hit your credit twice. The bureaus can see that it's a mortgage pull. And yeah, it hits your credit, but you know what? It's not that big of a hit. It's not the end of the world. And we really can't get you anything remotely accurate without your credit, without your score, without your information, without your income, especially if you're self-employed. If you own any other properties, there's so many things that go into it that just making a phone call to your nearest bank or broker or whoever and saying, hey, what's your rate? Well, that's not a really good comparison, because anybody that gives you a rate without all the information, they're just making it up, just saying. So I say that to say it's such a great time to refinance, to purchase. I can do California and Arizona. I'm more than happy to check rates for you, but I need documentation, at least a little bit, to be able to give you something even remotely viable. I mean, otherwise you're spinning your wheels, and one person's going to say, well, I can do 2.125, and the other person's going to say, well, I'm at 2.5, and believe it or not, you might be at 2.6 when you get down to it. So once you get into underwriting, then you would know, oh shoot, I got messed over. And the fee thing, be careful with that, because there's really I don't even know what a doc fee is, or a prep fee, or I don't know what that is. So be careful when you're shopping. Make sure that you match apples to apples. Make sure that you shop to best of all situations, same day, same hour, because rates move. They go all over the place. So definitely a good time to start looking, especially if you're refinancing, or if you haven't even looked into it, or more importantly, if you have mortgage insurance, because values have gone up. So that means your loan to value might be different, and you might be able to drop that mortgage insurance, which could, who knows? Have you looked at your statement? Do you know how much you're paying in mortgage insurance? Huge. So let me help you. Let us help you. We'll take good care of you, I promise. And I would love to save you some money. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you have an awesome day. It's a beautiful day here in Phoenix. Finally getting a little warmer during the afternoon, but it's still chilly in the morning. I'm going to go back into my kitchen and have a cup of tea. Have a great one, everybody. Bye.